Good? Is that good, girl? Whoop. All right.
Welcome back to Our World Outdoors. I'm Missy, and today I'm going to show you another one of our dehydrated backpacking meals. So today we're going to do one of everyone's favorite, chicken and stuffing. And we're going to put gravy on it. So, how do you make it? First, we start off with 2 pounds of raw chicken. We're going to put that chicken in a crock pot or boil it, and that way it'll break down easily. You'll be able to crumble it and tear it apart. And then you put it in a food processor or a mixer or something to where you can get it down to where it's like really fine. So this is going to make it nicer because whenever you rehydrate it, it's going to rehydrate softer and it's not going to be tough, and it's going to be nice. You wait and see. It's going to be really nice. So we did that already to our chicken. So we got it almost ready. We put some seasoning on this, but we didn't put a ton of seasoning on it. Usually we over season all of our dehydrating meals. But this, we didn't really over season too much because I have chicken here with a little bit of seasoning in it. I have chicken flavored stuffing and I have chicken gravy. So, we didn't have to put like overly season it this time. So I'm going to start getting this in here. And as you can see, it's kind of crumbly. So this is going to dehydrate pretty quick. I couldn't tell you how quick, but I'll let you know later how long it took to actually dehydrate it. So, I'm going to get this in here. And you just want to do it in a nice, thin, even layer all the way around your dehydrator. And we put parchment paper in our dehydrator. That keeps the chicken from falling through the little holes, because whenever it dehydrates, it gets even smaller. I'm sure everybody knows that that's ever dehydrated before. But we just use parchment paper because it works well for us. We just go to the Dollar Tree and buy it. It's nice and easy, cheap. So there's one of them. As you can see, I just did it kind of really thin. That way we know that it's going to dehydrate good. Just more in here. I don't know anybody that don't like chicken and stuffing. And this is going to make 4 servings, just so you know. And you can probably fit like 8 servings in most, or 12 servings in most dehydrators. But our freezer's plumb full of dehydrated meals right now because we like to eat. So, but we didn't need too many, but we did need some chicken ones. Alright, so I'm going to get this dehydrating. And in a few hours, whenever it's done, I'll come back. I'll show you how to assemble the rest of it. I'll show you how to rehydrate it, and we'll taste it and see what it's like.
Okay, and we're back. So, our chicken's all dehydrated. Took about 4 hours, and it's real small, granular now. That's why you want to chop it up as good as possible. I don't know if you guys can see that there. But as you can see, it's real small, so to rehydrate, super easy. I've already prepped our bags with the rest of our ingredients, so let's go over that. Half a box of stuffing in every bag. And then I put this packet split over 4 bags, because we're making 4 servings with 2 pounds of hamburger. Alright, so we're going to do the math real quick before we start doing this. $1, $1, $4 in chicken at $2 a pound, which is pretty much an average for chicken breast. You do it in the cans, it's a little cheaper, but it's a little more processed. So 4, 5, 6, 7, $3.50 for 2, so that makes it $1.75 a serving. And you're gonna have something that's gonna taste a whole lot better than something that's freeze dried or dehydrated that you buy in the store, because this is gonna have a ton more flavor. Alright, so let's get back to it here. So we've got our stuffing, we've got our gravy. We're just going to take, we made 2 trays is what it came out to with 2 pounds. So So we're gonna put half a tray in each bag. And you'll be messy like me, because I get in a hurry. And I got dogs, so it's not a big deal to clean up. And we mix it up so that all that are, and I'll tell you, this smells awesome. This smells like stovetop stuffing, seriously. It smells awesome. That's your finished product. You add water. Now this will take about 1.5 cups of water is what I would put in it. Or you can start with like 1 1/4 and have extra water sitting on the side to add to it. And then try to flatten it out if you're going to rehydrate in the bag like we do. Flatten it out and then flip it over. That allows the moisture to keep moving. And then obviously mix it up. Now, since my wife is not here for taste test, Molly, come. Molly. I'm going to have Molly assist us. So, let me get some things out of the way here so we can get Molly involved. Come here, Molly. Come here, girl. Oh, you're getting big, girl. Stay. All right. So this is Molly, and she's got a weight problem. But she's also picky what she eats. What do you think, Malls? More? Is that what you want? You want more? She said, these lights are kind of hot, Dad. I don't know if I like this. Good girl. So, Molly likes it. It's my turn. And yes, you'll get yours, Apollo. That's awesome. You need to let this rehydrate. Here you go, Apollo. Up, up. Good boy. Give me a spoon back. You can't eat the spoon, stupid. Anyways, you need to have this rehydrated. There you go. Rehydrated for about 15 minutes, I'd say. And so it fully soaks up all the water. It takes time because it is stuffing. I know that some people might want to consider, go ahead, baby, bringing little margarine packs out with them from when you go out to eat or something and throwing it in there just to cream it up a little bit, and that'd be good too. But I mean, for $1.50, $1.75, depending upon how you do it, you know, it's one of those things that you can't lose on. It's way cheaper than Mountain House, and it tastes a lot better. It has a lot more flavor to it than meals that have been, say, freeze-dried or dehydrated store-bought. So, till next time, I'm Tony, and this is Molly. Yeah, baby. And we'll see you in the next one.